Welcome to Activity 30. In this activity, we will be using two-part bonds of 10 to say subtraction equations. When we say a subtraction equation, we say whole subtract part equals part. This is the whole and these are the parts. We start with the whole. 10 subtract 4 equals 6. Or 10 subtract 6 equals 4. In this activity, you will need 2 of each bond block placed in a jumbled pile within reach of both players. You will also need 2 blank 5s. The aim of the activity is to build as many different two-part bonds of 10 as you can in 3 minutes. Today I have Karis here with me.
Hello.
And you can go first.
Okay. 10 subtract 5 equals 5.
I'll go next. 10 subtract 0 equals 10. Place that in my top row.
10 subtract 1 equals 9.
And well done for placing it in the next row. It wouldn't fit there anyway. 10 subtract 5 equals 5. You can spin again.
10 subtract 6 equals 4.
Similarly, 10 subtract 6 equals 4.
10 subtract 7 equals 3.
Now, Karis has to place that in a new row. She can't place it here because 5 and 3 don't build to make 10, and she can't place it here because that doesn't build to make 10 either. So you're waiting for the answer of 5,
6 and 7.
Great. And I have spun 10 subtract 6 equals 4. I've already placed a 4, and even if there was one left down the bottom, I wouldn't be able to place it because I'm only allowed to build each bond once because I want as many different bonds as I can.
10 subtract 1 equals 9, but I already have 9, so I just say the equation.
Fantastic, well done. And we'd keep playing till either the timer went off or somebody completed their wall within 3 minutes. Thank you.